Hey guys, it's me Lena, and today I want to show you an easy way to attach the weave when doing a box braid. So first off, you want to take your hair and you want to break off about 1/3 of it, and that is the piece you're going to loop around to make your third strand of hair. So right here I'm just showing you I have my 3 even pieces of hair, and I'm taking the smaller one that I looped around and I'm going to use that for my middle piece. So to visualize how we're going to attach it, we're going to take a piece of the top and we're going to take that bottom piece and split it into 2. So these are our 3 even pieces. Now I'm not actually going to part that out when doing each box braids. I'm just giving you a visual, an idea of how it should be. So taking that first middle strand and attaching it to the top piece. Then taking the left weave piece and we're going to grab that left piece of hair, and then we're going to take the last piece of weave on the right and attach it to that right piece of hair. So we have 3 even pieces of weave that we've attached to 3 even pieces of the hair. So this is going to give us a very even and uniform braid. So that's the easiest way to add weave when doing a box braid. And I'll show it again in a little bit slow motion this time. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my quick and easy tip on doing box braids, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you know someone who may need this braiding knowledge, make sure you share it with them also. See you guys in the next video.